Okay, welcome back. I think so. There is a comment in your section that asks some of the students basically ask this question that what relation can be established between the listening and the speaking?
Okay, listening and speaking.
Yeah.
These are too much connected with each other. Very connected. Actually, we speak English, we listen to. Okay? So, for example, you are speaking English. Now I'm speaking English. So we have actually listened to English. So if your listening is not good, your speaking will not be good. It has a great impact on your speaking. The problem is that we only think about reading English. Okay, we think about the grammar, we think about the grammatical structures, the complex structures, but we miss very important areas, which are very important for spoken English, listening and speaking. So, actually, in listening, we people listen to wrong English. Okay, for example, our teacher is teaching, or we are just reading. So we speak wrong, we listen to wrong English. So obviously, when you listen to wrong English, you will speak wrong English. Now, to improve your speaking, first of all, you need to improve your listening. Okay. For improving listening, you have to work a lot. You have to listen to native speakers. You have to watch movies. You have to watch news and listen to them properly, whether your old sound system is correct or it needs to be changed. For example, if you just look at the sound system, the ABC, so there are so many sounds that have been taught wrong. For example, we say D, now it's a soft sound D. We say T, so it's a soft sound. Okay, and we say we, so it's also bilabial sound. Okay, so just improve that, work out, and when you work out, so obviously, let's take the example of a child. When the child starts speaking, so the child actually doesn't understand. For example, he doesn't talk for the first few months, for the first even a year will be taken. The child listens first. He collects data. He can't talk. So after collecting data, he'll be speaking what he has listened to, what we people have said to him. And then he'll say, Mama, Papa. He'll start realizing. So same is the case with English. You can't speak first, and you shouldn't speak first. If your listening is not good, if you don't know the sound of each letter, first, letters don't have sounds. These letters are only enough for writing. The 26 letters, A to Z letters, they are only enough for writing. In speaking, there are 44 sounds. Okay, phonetic chart, you should just Google it. You can chat GPT it. The phonetic chart is very important for understanding how to speak English. So if you study the phonetic chart, you know the symbol of each sound, you know the articulation of each sound, then obviously you will speak proper English. And the best way to improve phonetic charting, to learn phonetic chart, you should listen. Listen one by one, each sound. Practice. From practicing, speaking will be improved. When you listen properly, your speaking will also be proper. But if you just speak English by the help of letters, so I said in my previous videos that these letters are only enough for writing. You can write a good letter with it. You can write an application. But after the chat GPT, letter writing, application writing, these are very easy. You don't need to do them. So the biggest problem is we have listened to wrong English. That's why we speak wrong English. Now, just start again. Make a foundation. One more time. Listen to English. Watch news. Even watch movies. Find a native friend. Gender doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to have female friend or male friend, so it doesn't matter. Listen to their English, how they speak English, and how they pronounce and produce sounds. After improving your listening, your speaking will automatically be improved. That's what I had to say. Thank you very much.